Why just hang with the crowd when you can escape the crowd? For city or campus commuting, Xscape, the exceptional folding electric scooter, is the first choice for the last mile. Xscape lets you travel effortlessly and silently for a range of about 25 miles. It folds up in 1 second, literally, and can be pulled like a carry-on suitcase. At just over 40 pounds, it can be easily lifted onto a train or bus. And when you park it, its footprint is just over 1 square foot. Xscape comes with its own Bluetooth app that you can download to your smartphone. The app gives you GPS information, lets you adjust the speed setting to 6, 10, or 15 miles per hour, and even serves as a virtual key to turn Xscape on or off. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum, Xscape can handle over 300 pounds and comfortably fits riders up to 6.5 feet tall. Xscape's exclusive independent dual rear-wheel suspension makes for an exceptionally stable ride, even when cornering, and cross-drilled rear disc brakes keep you safe and sound. Xscape's UL-approved lithium-ion battery delivers impressive climbing power and fully recharges in 6 hours. Xscape even has a USB dock to charge your smartphone. And Xscape really lights it up with decorative lights, as well as a smart driving lamp and a safety tail lamp. Xscape is, in a word, exceptional. So why hang with the crowd? You can escape the crowd.
Be there without being there. Introducing Sphericam 2, the only 360-degree video camera that captures everything around you for a lifelike playback. With 6 lenses inside a stunningly small design, Sphericam 2 delivers uncompromising 4K spherical videos. Put it on a stick, on its extended arms, or just hold it in the palm of your hand to enjoy automatically stitched videos on your VR headset, smartphone, or tablet.
Vay, ne olma?
Здорово!
Hello, olá.
Nosso geçti günün?
Como que você acha meu brinco? O passeio com o baby.
Не? Че, не понимаешь, что ли? Пошли бухнем!
佢唔明我講咩喎？你可唔可以幫我解釋下？
Gândește-te cum ar fi să vorbești cu toată lumea
هي eigen taal.
كلمات ما في داعي بس تسمعها.
Baúça asociație.
Nuestra cultură.
Ce încă cu mân.
И наши истории.
Imagine um mundo
Waar je met iedereen kan praten.
Și oriunde.
كل شي بصير.
我哋可以一齊做生意啦。
Nu podemos enamorar.
Ben ve sen arkadaş olabiliriz.
Yanko tisne viasia, o biabe timne no yonko akasa.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We're part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. 30 minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
Which means you can have a cleaner almost anything in practically no time once we end this campaign successfully. So please help us bring Sonic Soak to mass production and experience clean like never before. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.
I will never forget the moment that I actually got into music, or what it was that pushed me in that direction of really caring about audio and sound and what it does to people. Growing up doing music production, I think that is what taught me that anything is possible as long as you can imagine it. I started this company because I wanted to create the best headphones possible. We had some amazing success early on. We brought the 9s successfully to market and the Pro 40s, winning Best of CES award by Tech Radar. We even got acquired by a much larger company, and everything was going really well up until the point that our vision for the brand began to drift apart. I just wasn't happy with the direction that the company was being taken in. I decided to put everything on the line, reinvest my life savings, and take my company back. With the money we had left, I've wasted no time in assembling a new, smaller team who share the same vision and passion, and with these lessons learned, we're relaunching the company and need your help fulfilling our mission. Now we want to combine what we've learned with the Pro 40s and the 9s to design the perfect on-ear tactical headphone. We want to bring the studio to the streets, and the Pro 30 is the answer. The Pro 30 is what we need to bring this company back, and you can help. This is the Pro 30, our first wireless Bluetooth headphone. Not only is it beautiful, but it is compact and collapsible, perfect for the mobile mover. The titanium-coated housing utilizes natural acoustics to create the bass-enhancing chamber. Soft protein leather ear cups fold in using fortified hinges. This configuration ensures the Pro 30 is compact and securely stored during transport. A powerful rare earth neodymium magnet sits at the core of each 30mm titanium driver to provide the best possible quickest response time, creating a more accurate and cleaner sound. The adjustable headband is built for comfort and mobility out of sturdy yet flexible ABS composite and reinforced with aircraft-grade aluminum. With the Pro 30, we were able to push the boundaries of what an on-ear headphone can do. One thing you cannot deny is the sound. The Pro 30s, along with the 9s and the Pro 40, will give us a complete line, so we have an in-ear, on-ear, and over-ear options. Since you can't actually touch, feel, or hear these, the best testament comes from the people who actually use the product themselves every day. You may not know who they are, but they are the professionals behind the music that you get to enjoy.
These Pro 40s, they're awesome, and they crush all other headphones, seriously.
Those have become the standard in my studio. And everybody asks me what they are because it just feels like you're right in the music.
I recently used it on my last album, Faith, Hope y Amor, which was nominated for a Grammy. I just love the fact that Monisho has come out with a product that is comfortable.
When I first got these headphones, I was really impressed by the structure, the sleekness, the durability, the comfort, and the sound. With 40mm titanium drivers, these things are badass.
We use these headphones every day, not only for tracking, mixing, and editing, but also every day for just music enjoyment.
Pro 30s is just gonna be amazing for me because when I go on the road, I'm gonna be able to use the Pro 30s. So when I'm in the studio, I'm gonna be using the Pro 40.
I've tried out a lot of headphones and I'm in love with the Pro 40s. Can't wait for the Pro 30s.
The Monisho Pro 40, the best thing that I've had on my ears for a long time. Incredible headphones, and I'm looking forward to the Pro 30.
What I love about Monisho is their unrelenting desire to get it right the first time. Whether it be the Pro 40s or the 9s, I use them both. Whether rocking on stage, rocking in the studio, zipping through an airport, or just hearing it live.
The fact that they have a Pro 30 coming out that's a more compact version, it's a more compact version of the Pro 40s. I think, I just can't wait to use them, and I can't wait to see and actually have them on ear so I can work.
Kickstarter, please support the whole movement, and I think it's going to be great. Yeah? Pro 30s, Monisho brand, holla at us. Boom!
I can stress it enough. Guys, sign up, support the Kickstarter, and stay tuned because there's a lot of great things, a lot of great surprises coming your way from Family Ammunition.
So this is where you come in. Your pledge will go toward finalizing the engineering, the tooling updates, and manufacturing costs of the Pro 30. Your pledge will also help reignite the company and help our team fulfill on our mission to bring true quality headphones into the market. And even better, we have a limited amount of 9s and Pro 40s already in our warehouse, ready to go, that were acquired when buying the company back. These will be delivered to you just days after the campaign funding is received, which is a fulfillment speed completely unheard of on Kickstarter. This is our one shot to get this company where we've always envisioned it, and I'm asking you to be a part of our legacy. Please pledge, please share.